Stupid motherfucker. Fucking bike's 3 weeks old.
Yo.
Yeah, you want to see it on video, motherfucker? Got you on video, bro.
That was my turn. You know that, right?
It's not your turn. It's fucking straight.
My turn.
License plate.
It was my turn.
No, it's not. I got you on video, brother. It's got you on fucking video right here.
My turn.
Yeah, I got him on video. I'm not good. I'm 51 years old for...
What the f are you doing? Why did you brake? I was stopping. You just f***ing ran into me. I stopped so you could keep going and you pressed on your brake, on your press, on your acceleration. You don't f***ing turn when traffic's going straight. I apologize. You're like, I don't f***ing knock you the f*** out. I apologize. I stopped. It wasn't. I did not mean to do that. I stopped. I apologize. I stopped. If someone's going straight, you don't f***ing turn. I noticed my mistake and I stopped. Let's pull over. Let's pull over. I ain't got no damage to my shit, but smashed the f out of my foot. I apologize. It's all good. I'm sorry. Just watch out, alright? Dude, I'm so sorry. It's all good. My stuff's good.
shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. You guys good? Got it? Oh, nothing happened to your guys' car. Wow.
Dude, brake check.
Wow.
Yeah, dude, brake checks us in front.
Which dude? The guy up there?
Yeah, the dude in the white. Yeah.
Wow. You okay? You okay?
I got you on camera. Got you. Whoa! 1A, 9X, 5. No. 1A, 9X, 656 on a Toyota Tundra. Whoa, that was close. Wonder what his problem is. What is going on with him? On a Toyota red Tundra. Idaho 1A 9X 656. Let's see what's going on with him. Hey, you having a bad day? I got you on camera, man. Oh, whoa, he's just not having it today. Let's call the police, maybe? This guy straight up nearly ran me off the road. That's crazy. He's tripping if he thinks I'm just gonna let this go, man. Look at him go. Here we go. Hey, I'm on the phone with the cops right now. You almost ran me off the road, dude.
What the hell are you doing? You're sitting there playing chicken.
Tony, pharmacist.
Yeah, that's right.
From Walgreens. License plate 1A 9X 656.
What are you doing?
I'm writing.
No, you're not right.
I have the whole thing on my camera.
I went to pass.
Hold on real quick. We are at...
I'll wait here.
That's fine.
Yeah.
I have the whole thing on camera, man.
Good. You'll see that I tried to pass.
You nearly ran me off the road.
I sped up to go around.
Okay, Tony. Sounds good. I could do that. Well, I have the whole thing on camera, so... Well, he's claiming that I... What were you saying?
So I tried to pass.
Okay.
you
I'm gonna need you to
several-
stand like at least 6 feet though. Thanks, man.
I tried to pass you a few times. I accelerated to get around you. You sped up.
Okay.
I slowed down to get behind you. You slowed down below the speed limit.
I was going the speed limit. I have the whole thing on camera. I have this whole thing mic'd up, and I was saying I'm going 55 right now, and he's got his brights on, and you're about this far from me.
You chopped me off.
No, I didn't chop you off. That was you, man.
Man, I'm just trying to get around you, and you're doing that.
Sure, you're gonna have to explain it to the court on this one, man. Hey, I would let it go if it wasn't that big of a deal, but my life's in danger, bro. I'm on a motorcycle. I got a family to get home to.
And so do I. And
Yeah, you're in a truck, dude. Use some common sense on that.
so why wouldn't you let me get both?
Okay, I won't talk to him. That's fine. No. So, I don't want to ruin your life, man. What I'm gonna do? No, I don't want any of that. I think he's a dad, so I really don't care. Just don't do that again, man. Come on.
Come on, you know what you did.
I have it on camera, bro. Come on, dude.
No.
Don't be that way. Don't be that way.
Seriously,
Don't be that way.
I went to pass you.
Come on, Walgreens, man. Don't be that way, man.
You're full of shit, dude.
I have it on. I literally have it on camera.
Show them that. Show it to them. I want you to show them.
Literally on camera that you pushed me into the suicide lane. You did, bro.
Dude, I was accelerating.
Bro, you don't do that. You don't do that. Come on, man.
I hope you show them.
You know what? I changed my mind. Let's.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I could do that.
Show what you did.
I can have that officer call me. I'll give him my email. I don't have time for this. I got shit to do. Yeah, he's taking off right now. No, he's gone. Okay, yeah, I can do that. Sounds good to me.